Wondering where your save files are for Schedule I on AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, launch Schedule I and create at least one save. This ensures the game sets up the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their saves locally. Your progress in Schedule I is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you where the save files for Schedule I are located. These paths only apply to games from AnkerGames. Other sources may use different locations. You can back up your Schedule I saves by copying the folder. Save it on a USB or cloud drive and restore it anytime. That's it. Your Schedule I saves are local, secure, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips to get the most out of your games.